Hello, and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic, logging in students to their Chromebook. Let's get started. You will need the student email, which is their student ID, plus at gonzales.k12.ca.us. You will also need their password, which is their birthday. It will be entered using 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. When you turn the computer on, you will be prompted to enter the student's email. You only need to enter the student ID. Once their email is entered and you click the blue Next button, it will prompt you to enter the student's password. Once again, for the student's password, it is their birthday. Then, click the blue Next button. From there, you will be allowed to see the extensions at the bottom of the screen that can give you easy access to things such as the internet or Google Classroom.